This is Joe Peterson with MarineMax at Clearwater today to show you our Sea Ray SPX 190 powered with the MerCruiser V6 4.5 stern drive. You see the beautiful striking black colored hull, very nice high quality stainless steel rub rail. Comes equipped with a matching bimini top, black, and also packaged with a galvanized trailer with black fenders. Going towards the transom of the boat, you'll see a very wide swim platform. Very easy for families coming off the dock or coming back in and out of the water. 4-step telescopic ladder. And as you look aboard the boat, nice stainless steel safety grab rail. Stepping aboard the boat, you'll see a walk around curved step down for ease of traffic in and out of the cockpit. This boat will have the captain's seat with a flip up bolster, full instrumentation with a digital depth finder, passenger seat, same type of seat, very comfortable captain flip up bench seat. .5 V6 MerCruiser engine. You do have storage on the starboard side. This boat will come equipped with a snap-in, snap-out carpet, Rockford Fosgate stereo system for the music at the beach with the family to enjoy. Again, stainless steel grab rails throughout the entire boat. You have 3 of them up in the bow of the boat for safety. 2 speakers in the bow, 2 speakers in the cockpit. This has been a very versatile and popular boat for Sea Ray to do a little bit of everything with the family. If you'd like to see the boat at our showroom or schedule a sea test, you can contact Joe Peterson at MarineMax at Clearwater, 727-536-2628. Thank you.